Everyone, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can move and sync data using Airbyte Cloud. Once you're logged into your Airbyte workspace, I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner here and click New Connection. I'm going to click Set up a new source. And for this demo, I'm going to use Postgres. Here you can see that we can rename this source to be something more identifiable by you and your team. And then below, I'm going to fill in all the information for my specific Postgres instance. Now that we filled out all the information, I'm going to go down to the bottom and click Set up Source. Now that the connections have passed, I'm going to set up my destination, which in this case is going to be BigQuery. I'm going to click Set up a new destination, select BigQuery, and then same thing, fill out all the necessary information. And then once again, click Set up destination. So now that our connection has been made, we have a couple options here. We can select the sync mode, replicate source, or append historical changes. I'm going to leave it as replicate source. Down at the bottom, you can see that we have 4 streams. I want to enable all of them since these are the 4 tables that I have coming in from Postgres. If I want to be a little bit more specific, I can click on a specific stream and then deselect or select a specific column if I want it to come into the destination or not. On the right-hand side, you can see our sync modes. We can select incremental, full refresh, and then different variations of them. I'm going to leave it as incremental for now. Here we can name the connection. We can select the schedule type, whether we want it scheduled using Airbyte for these time intervals. We can have it manually enabled, or we can use a cron job and put it in there. I'm going to leave this as manual for now. Destination namespace we'll leave as destination defined. In the advanced settings, we have data residency options, how you want to handle schema changes, and then down at the bottom, you can be notified when schema changes occur. You also have the option of backfilling new or renamed columns here. I'm going to go ahead and click sync now to let the connection run. You can see that when the connection is done syncing, we have visibility on how many records were loaded. And then we can even go into the timeline up here, see the sync, and then view the logs as well. Now inside of BigQuery, I'm going to go into my project here, go down into the customer's data set that I wrote my data into, and you can see that all 4 tables are now here inside of BigQuery with the correct columns as well as some Airbyte generated ones. If we take a look at the preview, this is how all the data is going to look inside of BigQuery.